how to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off conversation tones on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and then here you will find it. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.